Assalamu alaikum friends. Today here I am Said the Barida and I'm gonna tell you some very weird and unique facts about some animals. I hope you all are fine my dear friends. And let's start a topic with the mountain goat. Talk about this mountain goat's unique ability. You see, adult mountain goats have some sort of curves on their hooves which they can use to climb steep and flat mountain surfaces. They could even climb up Mount Everest without a worry because these guys live on the coldest and harshest part of the mountain. And these guys like to eat some mountain plants like the sharp plants of the mountains, and they mostly drink water most of the time. And because sometimes these guys have a very low number on mountains, and because the fact that just imagine 100% of the population is goats. Now, there are also wolves living on the mountains. So, the young of the little goats actually get killed sometimes. So, 100 has been minus to a 10% of little goats surviving on the mountains. And now, let's talk about the lions. You know the hair around the lion's head? That is called a mane. And I'm not talking about the MAIN. I'm talking about MANE. This is called a mane. And the females don't have this sort of hair around their heads. And actually, they are very different. And you can tell by the genders. Because if they have hair or not, you could tell. Okay, now let's talk about the coyote. The coyote is a carnivorous animal which lives on the mountains or any other stranded area where animals can get fooled easily to come towards the coyote. And actually, coyotes are actually nocturnal. It means so they hunt the night animals like tarsiers or many other animals which are nocturnal or live in the daylight. Okay, we are now talking about the black bear. The black bear is almost like the grizzly bear except that it's just one inch shorter than its big brown cousin. The black bear mostly feeds on many animals which live in many places in the northern of America. And this guy is also called a carnivore. And it also can rear up to 1 and 2 cubs like a grizzly bear cousin itself. Okay, friends, now let's talk about the African elephant. The African elephant is the most ginormous mammal to ever exist on earth, after the blue whale, of course. And this guy is the cousin of the woolly mammoth, and some scientists have even thought about taking 1% of mammoth DNA and taking some and all 91% of the African elephant DNA to make a new sort of woolly mammoth, and they might be finished by the future. And these are the these blue mammals are very gentle. And now let's talk about the leopard. The leopard is also one of its cat family. You know what I meant by the word cat family? It means like the animals we previously mentioned, like the tiger and the lion, are from the same family as cats are. You see, our furry feline killing machines over here actually consist of tiny, horrendous, sharp things called papillae. And one lick from these things, and you'll be in the hospital right in 1 second. So, if you see some sort of papillae, if you use a microscope on some sort of animal, it's from the cat family, like black panthers, jaguars, and many other animals like a cougar and a puma also. And now let's talk about the Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is the most powerful carnivore, and it always hunts alone except lions. Not like lions. It doesn't go always in a group. This guy hunts alone, and is also a carnivore. And It mostly hunts humans with and but human attacks are very rare around the place. Actually, this guy is very powerful, and you can obviously tell by the common color of the stripes and body. But this is the weird fact. These guys don't all have the same pattern as many other tigers. Okay, the last animal on our list, the antelope. The antelope lives in dry, hard areas such like the Sahara Desert or many other dry, wasteland, barren places. The antelope has a diet consisting of many plants like the Euphorbia plant in the hot deserts of the Sahara. And this guy has a very high number of predators in the place, such as the fennec fox and saw-scaled daggers. And these guys are like really fast and always go in a group whenever going for eating food. Okay, so we hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe and share it with your loved ones. And tell us what you thought about the video in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.